I have a lovely Manhattan variation for you. This is the Little Italy. Instead of bitters, we use Cynar, which is a bittersweet aperitivo in the Amaro family, 3/4 ounces of Cynar, 1 ounce of the sweet vermouth of your choice, and 1 ounce of rye whiskey. I recommend a 100 proof rye. This drink is stirred, not shaken. Take your chilled cocktail goblet. Strain that in. I like to add orange zest on the surface. You certainly don't have to, but I like to add it. Peel a piece off, zest that on top, and garnish with a couple maraschino cherries. There it is, the Little Italy. Saluti.